So FET has fallen nearly 20% this week, and that is exactly what we predicted in our last FET video. Now the reason for this is the Nvidia earnings that came out yesterday, which I specified will be a huge catalyst for this week. Now the earnings were quite reasonably good. We had record revenues of $30 billion over a 3-month period. However, the stock of Nvidia has fallen quite significantly today at around 6%. Now if we take a look at the FET chart, we talked about it previously in the video at around $1.35, and I specified that this yellow area is the next zone that we should fall to, as we didn't fully break above this area or this white line right here on the daily chart. So now what I expect for us to do is to consolidate here for a few days before we see any sort of rally back up to the $1.35 area. And if the market does significantly weaken on Bitcoin and the overall US economy market, then we should look for FET to at least hold this yellow level. And if it doesn't hold, then we will be looking at coming back down to sub $1 at around 78 to 85 cents here. However, I do think it is a good area to DCA in at this yellow range right here. So we did slightly tap in, and it does look like we're having a little dead cat bounce right here. It looks like we will create some sort of fair value gap here, which we may fill. We may consolidate up slightly, but the main area we're looking to dollar cost average in at and add positions is going to be this yellow area. Overall, AI coins have fallen due to the Nvidia earnings. Even render. Now again, this is just a slight sell-off due to a lot of people that bought longs contracts and were just holding Nvidia shares. They're slightly selling off their positions. They saw a good news report, they thought it would pump, so they sold. However, we have seen a slight dip. Now it will be very important to watch the Nvidia charts this week and the coming weeks, as that is going to be a key factor in what the AI cryptocurrencies do. Now on the Nvidia chart, the main sort of support zone that we have is right here at around $90 to $100. Again, we don't have much in between because we had the all-time high and then we saw a huge dump, and now we've come back up and now we're slowly coming down. Again, we didn't break the all-time high, we created a lower high, so it'll be interesting to see whether we are able to hold this low or whether we create a lower low, which will obviously indicate a downtrend starting. So thank you all for watching. If you do want more trades and to copy my exact long-term portfolio, then make sure to check out the Discord down below. You can do all of that there. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.